If you've ever opened a Word document and seen that annoying red highlight sitting on your text, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove red highlight in Microsoft Word quickly and easily using the built-in highlight tools. This is a simple fix, but if you don't know where to look, it can be frustrating. Whether you're cleaning up a document for school, work, or just making your formatting look professional, this method will save you time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Word document and find the text that has the red highlight on it. The first thing you need to do is select the highlighted text. You can click and drag over the words, or if it's just a single section, simply drag to highlight the area you want to fix. Once the text is selected, look up at the top of Word and click the Home tab. This is where most of your font and paragraph formatting tools are located. In the Home tab, find the Text Highlight Color tool. It usually looks like a marker or highlighter icon, and it may already show a color if one has been applied. Next, click the small arrow next to the Text Highlight Color button. This opens a menu of highlight options. From that list, choose No Color. This removes the highlight from the text and returns it to the normal document background. If the red highlight came from a standard text highlight, this should clear it immediately. If you still see some formatting, double check that you selected the correct text and that the highlight tool was applied to that exact section. You can repeat the same steps for any other highlighted parts in the document. Just select the text, go to Home, open the Text Highlight Color dropdown, and click No Color. It's a fast way to clean up your document without changing the actual wording. One helpful tip is to use this method before printing or sharing a file, especially if the red highlight makes the document look messy or distracting. Also, if you're working on a longer document, you can use Find and Replace or review the formatting section to make sure there aren't other highlighted sections hiding elsewhere. But for most cases, this simple manual method is the quickest solution, and that's how you remove red highlight in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.